Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and my session is Excel lesson 17 about having trouble in pasting headers on every page of your data or Excel sheet. So I would request you to kindly watch this session till the end so you could have a better grip on this topic, and I will like to tell you that this is a very important topic because in everyday life you faces this problem of printing a document, a complete document, and this would surely resolve those issues. So coming to my actual topic, so this is the data sheet which I used in my previous session number 16, and same data I'm using right now here. So uh, now again, I would like to create a situation, a hypothetical theory that your senior, your boss is required, has asked you to basically give a print of this sheet. He or she has given you this sheet which contains 1000 records and purely its data, and he or she is saying that kindly give me a print and be quick. I need it within 10 minutes. So, but I need in a certain way the sheet in a certain way, the printout in a certain way that the header should be repeated on every page. So one thing, the header should be repeated on every page. The second thing is that you need to basically give it on a visible in a visible way. It should be quite visible. So and the third thing is this, that give it on the both side of the page so that in the current scenario of hyperinflation, the organization may save some pages and may save some costs, overhead costs. So keeping in view all these three questions of your boss, you have this data in your hand. First, what you can do is, first thing first, that you need to basically print this header on every page. So there is a very laborious task. You could basically copy this row, and you can basically enter a row after every 10, say after every 10 records, after every 10 records, and you can basically insert a row and then paste it, and then do it for like 1000 records, 1000 rows. So it's a very laborious task. You don't need to do that. Excel has a very excellent option to resolve this issue. So what you need to do is you need to go on your view, a review on data, and formulas, page layout. Yes, go on page layout. Go on your page layout, file, home, insert, and page layout. You can see that on menu bar I have selected page layout, and on the basically the icon bar, go on print titles. Print titles. Press click on it. Now you have you have three options here. First, print area. We will do it later on. First, we will do print titles. See, print titles. So there is an option, rows to repeat at top, and second one is column to repeat at left. So you don't have to click columns option because your columns are varying. Basically they are changing, they are not fixed columns. The record here is not fixed, it's changing. So don't do that. You need to basically repeat the headers, the first row on each page. So please select it. See, press on the arrow and select it. You selected it, and again press on the arrow this, and see the Excel by default has mentioned $1, $1. So it has selected this first row by default. Press OK, OK, and then you can control P directly from that option. You can also go on print preview, and there is, I will press escape, and there is a shortcut that is control P. In my test on Excel, I mentioned this option, the short key. Control P. See, the first job is like it's appearing on the first page. There are total 69 pages. See at the bottom of this, there are total 69 pages, and on the first page you can see that it's appearing right now. And on the second sheet, see, it's appearing. It's appearing. So automatically it's appearing till the, you can scroll down and you can see it's appearing till the end. But now what you can see is that there is uh, the last column. Now you select, now you need to select the print preview. Now you need to select, go in print preview, and to select the pages, the range of your print. So what you can do is, again, there are two options. You can again go to print titles, and print titles you can basically select it from print area. See, print area, and from print area I pressed here and then pressed Control Shift right arrow, and it has selected all the area which has been basically in writing, under writing, not the empty area. It has skipped the empty area, and then Control down key. So it has, see, it has selected 1001, all the printed data, and see, it's appearing here. And now go on print preview. Now the complete data, now you are sure that the complete data has been appearing here. But again, you can see the last column. The last column, city, is basically not aligned with the other data. It's not coming on the single page. So what you need to do is, you can basically go on view. Now I will go on view tab, and there are two options, normal and page break. Go on page break, second option, and see these blue lines. The blue lines are appearing here. The blue lines are appearing here. All the other area which is not under the print has become gray, and the area which is under print, it's basically become blue. So you can basically select this with your mouse button, press the right mouse button, pick it, and go till the end, and see, now it has, you have your page 1 here. Your page 1 is basically in the background. You can see page 1. The page 1 has previously, you could see that the page 1 was here and page 2 was here. Page 1 was here and page 2 was here, but now page 1 is basically capturing the whole area, and then page 2 is basically here. It's starting from the blue line is also appearing in between. So this is your page 2. I will zoom it for your ease, for the ease of viewing. See page 1 and then page 2. Now again I will press Control P. Still you have some work to do. So I will press Control P here, and I need to basically, now there are for 11 pages. It has been reduced to 11 pages. From 69 pages it has been reduced to 11 pages, but the visibility is not good. So make it visible. To make it visible, I will basically go on page setup and then select landscape. So I need to select my data in landscape. See, but still it has moved to 15 pages. 4 pages have increased, but don't worry about that. You basically need to, we will handle it later on. So you need to increase this, you need to capture this area. So again, go on page setup and see there is adjust to, this is option, increase its percentage, say to 65%. This is basically your just guesswork. See, at 65%, it basically captures the remaining space or not. It's guesswork. It's not a standard. It's a guesswork depending on your data. See, now it's quite better. And what you can do is, if there are no headers on it, if there are headers on it, then don't do it. But if there are no headers, then you can basically skip this area too. So what's the way of skipping this area is, see the pages have increased to 20. Go on page setup and go to margins and select horizontally and vertically. This sheet will become this data. Your data is appearing horizontally and vertically in the center of this sheet of your sheet. And reduce this top and bottom margins because you don't have any data to show there, and press OK. See, now the sheets have reduced to 17 and data is much visible now, much visible now. So scroll down, see headers are appearing on each page. Headers are appearing on each page. So you have basically fulfilled your boss. And now from the third, print on the both sides. So you can basically go to your print options. You go to your print options, select the printer, what in or at what printer you want to give the print, and then go to print active sheet. There is option here which appear when I basically attach the printer with this, that print on both sides. Right now it's not appearing, but it will appear when I attach the printer with my laptop. So you can basically select that option and your page will print on both sides. So these number 17 will automatically reduce to 8 or 9 sheets. So from 49 sheets, I have reduced your company budget to 9 sheets, and that's quite a job which you have done. So press escape, control save here, control save here. And one thing again I want to tell you that on the page layout, print tiles, yes, this is very important. Then your data, kindly see that the down and then over. First it will move down. Basically sheets will print in this way, that it will first capture this down and then move to the next page. And if you press this over and then down, it's basically not recommended. Always try to do not in the Z shape, don't print into the Z shape, print into the this reverse N shape. See, there's arrow going on. First it will basically capture your first pages of data, complete data, and then go to the next page and then complete it. And it's basically it basically horizontally capturing your data. The first is most appropriate and recommended. So press cancel because we haven't changed anything here, and then save it. And I think I have come to the end of my session, and I would again request you that if you find it valuable, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your colleagues so they could have also a grip of this valuable session. And please practice it. I always request that practice it yourself, and this sheet is complimentary, available. The link of this sheet I have made it available in my description, and it's complimentary, totally a gift from me. So you can download it and practice it yourself. Thank you very much for watching.